Okay, so in this tutorial, we're going to look at how you can create a cross-section view. You'll need cross-sections to show all the details of your design. To get us started, I'm going to actually add an isometric view of my design. So I'm going to add a new base view. I'm going to go to orientation. I'm going to pick an isometric orientation, and I'm actually also going to make it shaded so that it looks like the real object. So looking at this, I think it would be useful to kind of do a cross section across the top here, so we can kind of look at all of the detail inside here where we have this circle. So to do that, I'm going to have to do a cross section across the top here. So I'm going to go over here to my toolbar, and I'm going to go get my section view. And I'm going to go to the side view because I want to cut this, I want to do a section of the side here. So the way the section tool works is click once, and that tells Fusion what view you want to use. Now I want to make sure that I am in the very middle, so I'm going to hover over the edge here till I get the triangle. I'm not going to click. I'm going to carefully move up perpendicular to that triangle, and I'm going to click once, and that anchors the top of my section view. And then I'm going to go down to the bottom here, click again. So now I've got my line going through where I want my section view. I will click on my green arrow, and I've now got my cross-section view. So I'm going to click over here and click OK, and so you can see can now see the cross section, and I can use this to help me with things like the diameter here and of the hole and things like that. I'm going to do one more cross section down here on the foot. I think I'm just going to cut across the foot here. So again, I will click on section view. This time I will click on here once so I know which the model is. This time I'm going to kind of eyeball it a little bit. I think we will cut right across there. So I'll click once, twice, and then I'll click on my green arrow, and that will drag it down. Now, what I think I will do is drag it down here, and it's not a very big shape. So what I can do is click on that, then I can go over here, and I can change it to 1:1. And that makes it a little bit bigger. Maybe I will just move it over, and then we'll click OK. And I've got my cross section there, which I can select and move if I want